Welcome to this stunning fully furnished two-bedroom apartment for rent. From the moment you arrive, you are greeted by a serene and well-maintained environment that sets the tone for a truly exceptional living experience. This apartment has a spacious parking area, large enough to accommodate multiple cars with ease. The entire space is beautifully surrounded by a lush, well-maintained garden, adding a touch of tranquility and nature to the environment. The greenery enhances the beauty of the apartment complex, creating a peaceful and inviting atmosphere. From here, you get a clear view of the stunning apartment, its modern design standing out elegantly against the backdrop of the vibrant landscape. After taking in the beauty of the surroundings, you walk toward the apartment, appreciating its architectural charm and the thoughtful landscaping around it. As you reach the entrance, you step onto a charming balcony that serves as a perfect outdoor retreat. Stepping inside, you're welcomed into a very beautiful living room, designed to offer both luxury and comfort. The space is furnished with high-quality, modern furniture, including a plush sofa set, a stylish coffee table, and elegant decor that enhances the cozy ambience. Large windows allow natural light to flood the room, creating a warm and inviting feel. From the living room, you move toward the well-appointed kitchen, which is designed to meet both functionality and aesthetics. The kitchen features modern cabinetry, high-end appliances, and a spacious countertop that provides ample room for meal preparation. It is fully equipped with a refrigerator, oven, microwave, and all the necessary kitchenware, making cooking a delightful experience. Next, you head to the first bedroom, a peaceful and stylish retreat designed for ultimate relaxation. The room is furnished with a comfortable bed dressed in high-quality linens, elegant nightstands, and ample closet space to keep belongings neatly organized. Attached to the bedroom is a private bathroom, beautifully designed with a spacious glass-enclosed shower, a sleek sink with a large illuminated mirror, and high-end fixtures that add a touch of elegance. The walls are finished with stylish tiles that enhance the modern aesthetic, while the well-placed lighting provides a spa-like experience. Moving on to the second bedroom, you find another stunning and well-designed space that mirrors the elegance of the first. This bedroom also features a luxurious bed, high-end furnishings, and large windows that invite in plenty of natural light. Whether used as a guest room or a personal space, it offers the perfect blend of comfort and sophistication. Like the first, this bedroom also comes with its own private bathroom, complete with a sleek vanity, a well-designed shower area with modern glass partitions, and premium fixtures that ensure a luxurious feel. The rainfall showerhead adds an extra level of relaxation, while the high-quality finishes and contemporary design make this bathroom both functional and visually stunning. This apartment is a perfect choice for anyone looking for comfort, elegance, and convenience all in one place. Don't miss the chance to make it your next home. Thanks for watching. For more details, check description below.